Our next contestant is Nandana T. Prasad. The topic allotted is the essence of beauty. The essence of beauty, Nandana T. Prasad.
Are you ready?
Wait. Okay. Start. Courage! 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 Do you ever remember this word, courage? I think you remember because your parents, your teachers always see only one word. You should have courage to participate in new things. You should have courage to participate something new. You should have courage to do something new. It's not about student life. You can take part of anything, whether it's about society, whether it's about your friends, whether it's about technological advancement. Everywhere, if you have to do something new, you should have the courage so that you can do your best. Whenever you have the ability to start something new, then definitely you have new ideas. Then definitely you have new wisdom to grow. Most importantly, when you have the courage to start something new, you have the adaptability to foster resilience. Every time you adapt something new, you get little more confidence. Every time you get more and more courage, you get little more understanding of your own growth. Every time you understand what the actual meaning of courage, you get little more progressive. Most importantly, you become productive because now you have the capability that is, I have the courage, so I can do something new. That's what actually meaning of courage is. Let's take example of Speech Master 2.0. Today I am standing here in front of you all. But do you know what is the main force behind me? It is because of the courage. That year, last time I was volunteer in this event. And then only I prepare a roadmap that yes, I have to be the finalist. I have to win that certificate. And that is why I have this speech ready for me. I just want to give a motivation to you all that if you have the courage to start something new, don't follow Sandeep Maheshwari, don't follow any motivator speaker, just be yourself. Just only you have to focus on process. Process and process. If you want to be successful in life, then you have to follow some roadmap. You don't have to follow the moral or we can say real life stories of any other person. You have to just be yourself. And you know what? Most importantly, you have to just focus on yourself. You have to focus on your capabilities. You have to focus on yourself. You have to focus on what key things you can be done for your great future. That's what actually the meaning of courage is. Do you know, you can take example of many rich businessmen. Where they have started. They started from a small mindset. They started from a small thought, a small idea. But it became an empire only when they started the process. Only when they take up the steps that are necessary to build that business. Remember, great thinkers, innovators like Mahatma Gandhi, Steve Jobs, Nikola Tesla. Why are these people so much successful? Only key thing that make them different from us is about their courage. It's about that courage that yes, we can start, we can do, we can change the society. And that is why they are different from us. And that is why they are different from us. So just remember one thing. You should have the courage to start something new. You should have courage to get new ideas. You should have courage to start and be successful in your life. Just remember one thing. If today you have the courage, if today you have the courage, if today you have the courage, then definitely you will be successful. Then definitely you will be progressive. And most importantly, you will change the society. Most importantly, you will change the world. So be the change that you want to see in the world. Be the change that you want to see in the world. Be the change that you want to see in the world. Thank you everyone.